In my last video, I taught how to do this bead matting. So if you haven't checked that out, kindly go and check before you continue to watch this video, because you will have to do this, understand how I made this before we continue to do the pen holder or organizer. Okay, so there are two ways to fold this to do the pen holder or the organizer. The first way is that here I have this part is 17, 1 2 3 17, and this part is 6. Okay, so I'll fold it 6 6, and then the base will be 5 like this. The base will be 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and I will fold here. Okay, and so it will be like this, and then you will just have to close this part and this side, and then your pen holder or organizer will be done. This is the holder we are going to do. Okay, so this is the first way. You just fold it like this, and then you close the side. Okay, but the second way, which is the one I'm going to use to do this is 17 and here is 6. So the 6 is the length, this part. Okay, so 70, I'm going to divide it by 4, but I will still have one because I will lack 1. It's supposed to be 18, because you see that here is 5 5 5. This is 5 by 5, but what I'm going to do is going to be 6 by 3. 6 by 3. So 6 by 3, 6 plus 3 will be 9, and then 9 plus 9 will be 18. But here I have 72, so I'm going to join. When I'm joining it, I will be adding one bead, which will make it to be 80. So I will fold it like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. I will fold, count 3, and fold again, and then another 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and fold. Please hope you understood how I folded it. Okay, so now we see that this part is supposed to be 3 like this, but it's 2. So I will join it here so that I will have 3, and then we will just close the down part, or we do the base. Okay, so I'm going to close this part. So you cut your fishing line, and then you pass it through this bead here. This is the rest of the fishing line I used when I was doing this. So if you join it with a different fishing line, you just cut it and then you pass it through this one, and then you pick one bead on the fishing line towards the part you're going to join with. Okay, and then you pass it through the blue bead here, and then you pick one and cross with it. So I'll pass my right fishing line through this bead and the left one through the red bead, and then I'll pick one and cross with it. So watch. Okay, so I'm going to the last part, so I'll just pass my fishing line to pick one with this fishing line, and then I will not cross it, I'll just tie. Then I will pass my rest of the fishing line through. Please hope you understood what I just did. If you didn't understand, please don't hesitate to let me know. You can ask for clarification in comment section, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can equally DM me on Instagram. Please do not forget to subscribe, okay? Kindly help me, support me, so that I will also be motivated to teach you more things. Okay, so we are done with the size. It's cute, right? Very cute as compared to this one. Yeah. So we are going to do the base. We are going to cover the down part. Okay. So to do the down part, to cover this side, you can see that we have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can start from any of the corners. So where we have the corners, you see that we have 2 beads closer to each other here. These 2 beads here. Okay, so when you cut the fishing line, you pass it to those 2 beads at the corners, and then I'm going to take 2 beads, put one on my left fishing line, and then I'll cross with the second bead. And then I'll pass my right fishing line through the next bead here, this one. Pick 2, put one on the left fishing line, and then I'll cross with one. So when I get to the end of this line or the other corner, I'll pass my right fishing line through the 2 beads, and then I'll pick one and cross with it. I'm not sure I'm going to talk through while I'm doing this part, so please, I would suggest that you watch carefully because the noise coming, I don't think so. I'll mute this part. So I'm putting to the end of it, and then I'm going to pass my right fishing line through these two beads here, and then the left one through this bead. And please, it's available. Any product and everything I do on this channel is available for sale, unless I'm doing it for a customer. So please place your order with me. Nationwide delivery at affordable prices. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.